What's up, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a 2014 Victory Vegas 8-ball with me today. Bike's blacked out. It's got good looking wheels, nice long stance. It's got a gloss black paint job, which is in really good condition. It's got one small little rub mark right there on the tip of the front fender, but other than that, didn't see much else as far as any kind of cosmetic issues. It's got a brand new Michelin Commander 2 tire that we just put on. This one's got the 106-inch fuel injected V-twin. It's air and oil cooled. It's got forward controls for a nice stretched out seating position. It's got the blacked out pipes, and these are the Victory Performance pipes, so they got a little throatiness to them. It's got the two-piece seat. I think this bike would look really good soloed out. You could just take off this passenger part, and it's got a small little backrest as well. We also put a brand new Michelin Commander 2 on the rear, so you got new tires front and rear. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and then we give it a professional detail. Bars are real comfortable. They got good pullback, nice wide grip. This bike's got low miles too. $7,276. Bike runs good, ready to ride. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options, take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.